I'm a commissioner of the league, and BRPL league, I think it's just happening. It just started. We started our trials first. Yesterday we had a lot of people. Yesterday it was crazy day, and today also we are continuing with that. Today we'll be playing the last 4 matches for the last selections. It's not here only. We are going to a lot of other states as well. So we have just started off. This is the first phase. We have started. So I think it's going to be a very interesting league.
Do you think this league can help to find upcoming tennis cricket?
Of course, I belong to tennis leagues, tennis tournaments. A lot of cricketers, you ask any cricketers, they have played tennis cricket and then they got into the hardball cricket. So I think every cricketer has gone through the tennis ball phases of their life. And I think tennis ball teaches you quite a lot, Even I do wicket keeping coaching, I use a lot of tennis balls in wicket keeping coachings. So your basics of the wicket keeping improves quite a lot.
Despite recent setbacks, do you still think Rishabh Pant is an India's long-term match winning in Test cricket?
No, he's done very well. And every cricketer goes through this phase, and he's a fighter. And I know Rishabh very well. Rishabh, I worked very closely with him, and I enjoy his cricket. And every cricketer goes through this. I think he'll come back very strongly. And see, captain and vice captain doesn't make any difference. If you're winning a match for the team, I think that is, for me, Rishabh Pant. So Rishabh Pant, you know what he has done in Test cricket. And of course, he's not getting opportunity in T20. So then you'll see that he'll also make a comeback in those teams.
There has been constant discussion around transition in Indian cricket. How important is Rohit Sharma's experience during this phase?
Yeah, of course, I think you need an experienced player. Like we had Dhoni for a long time. We had Sachin, we had Rahul, Sourav Ganguly, a lot of cricketers, they played for long, And when these guys are around, I think dressing room things are different, and they learn a lot from these top players.
What is your overall assessment of teenage sensation Vaibhav Suryavanshi?
I think it's a very great news for Indian cricket. And if you're getting such talent in this top level of cricket, I think Indian cricket is in really a great position, and we keep on producing player like him. I think for me it's a fantastic news for Indian cricket.
Do you think Suryavanshi hesitated to break the record of Sachin Tendulkar becoming the youngest cricketer to represent India?
I think it's not a record or something like that. I think he's a talented player, So when you see these guys, Suryavanshi is a very, very outstanding player. There are a lot of other players also doing well. Priyansh Arya, they are also very good. Like Abhishek Sharma, they all are young, So this guy is special, So he'll definitely get his opportunity. People should not put a lot of pressure on it. I think he looks very matured, Like for his age, playing at this level of cricket, it's fantastic.